Sydney Wilcox. Molokai contains 261 square miles, with Kamako being the highest point at 4,970 feet. For years, pineapple was the chief industry until 1983, followed by the Dole Company. Many residents of Molokai fish, farm, and live off their own land. It is one of Hawaii's most popular tourist destinations, attracting people from around the world to its northern shoreline to view the stunning cliffs and towering waterfalls. Kalaupapa, located in Molokai, was the final resting place of our beloved Father Damien. Jenna is the daughter of Dwayne and Corey Raposa, and Sydney is the son of Walter and Hugh Wilcox. Ladies and gentlemen, your sophomore island